Machita sencokola apha kule channel. Pitso sende message to Kaizer Chiefs. Sibona ngelo hlobo thina apha kule channel. Sibonile all over the news bona okuthethwa ngayo the whole weekend okuthethwa ngalento ba okay uPitso uye wathini ngeChiefs ngojoina iChiefs. But the channel sibona indlela different inapha si break it down le message ba okay uPitso uthini and uthetha nobani and uthini ethetha lento ngelixesha understand since alo yapha le channel so break it down le way ezinye ilawe channel khanga zithethe ngalento and khanga zibone ngale ndlela sibona ngayo thina apha yabo so uthethile uPitso Mosimane Ditile Grootman uthiwa ngubani pha iKagiso uthiwa nguBrapitso kube simbize iKagiso waseGauteng so yasothela ngalo yema chithi ba uthini uPitso if iqala udibana le channel iqala udibana le content wesenza apha sencokola nje singamajida apha amajida subscribe leyo apha kule channel ayazi le wesi into yethu le yalapha yabo if iqala udibana le channel khona indawo ezantsi bhale subscribe indawo emhlophe bhale subscribe apha ezantsi ngocofa pha uzofumana everyday videos so ya uPitso Mosimane to Kaizer Chiefs ngoqala uPitso before starting ngale message ba okay wathini kubani ayimfubekuthini futhi uPitso coaching experience uyazi media uyakwazi usebenzisa imedia uyakwazi nemedia uyakwazi xa ifuna into yenzeke uzayithetha kwimedia and uyithetha ngendlela enjani engeliphi ixesha kwicareer yakhe nestage understand so uyazi nenyani and even nokwimedia nje waye as a player dala wathetha kwimedia uPitso wayeplay outspoken ngoke Sundowns in fact uPitso wayedlala naseGreece so ubona imedia edala bayazi even kwaseGreece eseyiplayer edlala eGreece ucoach eSuperSport ucoach Sundowns for many years ucoach Bafana uhamba wayocoach Egypt iAl-Ahly big team yase-Egypt big team yase-Africa ngoku coach iLanús Saudi Arabia big team Saudi Arabia so imedia iyakwazi usebenzisa and uyazi nothethayo kwimedia and thethela for ntoni futhi so yonke le wethithileyo pha akayo mistake akenzanga mistake uPitso nglayithithileyo so uye wathini uPitso machita for abantu bakhanga bayive but le way all over the media all over social media uPitso ubuziwe bethetha noSkepe eMatsibane ku-Power FM uSkepe uyabuza ba Pitso ifans the Chiefs zifuna ba mojoine iChiefs ba ungayifitha Kaizer Chiefs unicanga ndo ngalo way response ka Pitso iyo le yenza ngokuthetha ngoPitso like since last weekend yonke and like le weeks kuthethwa ngale way one ba okay Pitso to Chiefs so Pitso eyaphendula wathi I'll ask my agent he did not tell me anything about Kaizer Chiefs yeah so ebole bese jonga by sentence le wethu ngoPitso machita say dissect and chilo mosapha so uthi I'll ask my agent he has not told me anything about Kaizer Chiefs okoqala thitha kakhulu lo way because like Pitso agent yakhe uhleli Saudi Arabia agent yakhe is his wife so umuntu osuke in contact naye so xa usithi ngomna ask my agents like bone uyathetha agent yakho all the time so how can you say uze ask your agent ngoku so uyabonakala okay like he's playing into it, interested in okay maka have a conversation otherwise if ungafuni have a conversation bezo break it down beze killer at that moment yabo so kasi I'll ask my agent like ula feed into the speculation yabo uthi akayivanisa about Kaizer Chiefs and uyaliphinda elagama le team because boni coaches ne players xa ungafuni thetha into about thetha ngeteam uzwe ngeteam irresponse yakho ungafuni thetha ngayo uvela uphendule nje ngoba ungalibizi kwayigama layo so uPitso uthi I'll ask my agent and then uphinda ubiza igama leKaizer Chiefs and uyazi ba uPitso imedia ezazi iquotes by journalist izo quote because if so uPitso uphindule way wathi Kaizer Chiefs nayo waphinda walibiza igama so uyazi media bona uyazi le wethithayo pa oqala ileyo second line yakhe second point yakhe uyawathi but anything is possible. Yeah, that's the biggest takeout. The foot popular message got Pitso. You know what? Anything is possible. You know what? I'll ask my agent. He didn't say anything about Kaizer Chiefs, but anything is possible. So again, big speculation, big reaction by you. Born to say fans, speculation by Pitso, Kaizer Chiefs keep on. Yeah, and Leo send a message to Kaizer Chiefs in management. But okay, Pitso is open to possibility of signing Kaizer Chiefs because he said anything is possible. and he's saying, okay, Chiefs maybe Chiefs in contact, I could listen to your offer or discussion. I see but anything is possible. And then the rest of the message, okay, the next message, I like projects. So if anyone has a vision, if anyone has a project and has a vision, okay, yeah, like more cryptic, lay message, lay part of the message, because but the message at the same time got the big point, but lay point towards more in management more than okay, what the media is gonna say or what the fans are gonna say. The first part was more like it is an excitement, okay, how Pitso, and again, the last part, the middle in the last part of the message, Pitso, with Chiefs management, but it's about saying, Pitso just under projects, and if you call it project, and if you have a vision, say, we're interested in it. Yeah, and especially coach Elan was an experience, a project, okay, like, when we team ne ufuna achieve into ethile and uphizo ufuna futhi yeqele chess ba mna the way the approach ngelihlobo ba if nifuna okanye nifuna possibility ba manize ke Chiefs mna funeke nize project apha kum, but Chiefs yazi lo idala yasipana ne coaches is experience project. Usually ebholeni it's average of unyaka, I mean season 1 to 3 seasons, it can also be 1 year to 3 years, like project like general project football, it's usually 1 to 3 seasons. If first season if you signs but okay, improvement I got you back say the first season when you first year, but if you go win a league, when you win a cup, is it two, because it results especially new coach, new ideas, takes time. So a project about 3 years done. So people will tell you by saying if you are a project and if you have a vision, okay, if you do the project, if you achieve sing a theater. In the end, last part message Pitso, I also have my say on how things can go from step 1, step 2, step 3 against like a project, but okay, project 1 to 3 seasons, and Pitso tell step 1, step 2, step 3, yeah. Generally, Pauline, step 1 is like, okay, let's tell you about, okay, bonus signs is improvement, but okay, yeah, let's say like we finished 4th or we finished 5th the first season, or we finished the top 3. In the end, maybe 6 semi-finals, the cup. Oh, so it's final, step 1, and it's promoted players to. That was the first results, okay, the project they won. But sometimes the Enzega Ilan lose, try and win early success. But hey, win a cup, win a league, won a miracle, Enzega in football. But I have expectation, agreement, Kalmane project, step 1. Step 2, 1 cup. If you win a league, okay, and win a cup, guarantee, but Naganja, and so win a league. Otherwise, if and achieve league, step 2, when you go season 2, then my job is declined. Then there's a problem. We must have a meeting and discuss the way. If our achieve our step 2 when you season 2. Then step 3, season 3, but you win the league title. Making an example, win the league title step 3 when you season 3, or when you win the Champions League, or when you win 2 trophies, or when you players that be promoted, bonus if money moves to overseas. So Pitso titanga low way and you send a message Kaizer Chiefs management, but okay, anything is possible. I'm open to Ilawe. He moved to Kaizer Chiefs, but maybe a project, and the project maybe say, but okay, when they can step 1, step 2, step 3. Jamie City maybe say, but when they can only Chiefs, me to me as you are saying, in the past 5 to 8, 10 years, in any way say coaches, ingenzilendo zonke coaches zifunayo. Bafuna ukwenza leyo bafuna uyenza management okanye bafuna umamela coaches ba coaches Kaizer City funa leyo yenze so machita nina sanokwenza ngelihlobo basenze ngelihlobo nazi demands zami nina demands yenu nazi ami demands. So Pitso yazi wenze ngimambomo leyo thithayo pha in the media in public by message to Chiefs by hey nina ndayazi ba zange nimamele uKevin Hunt wayiCity wayifuna leyo so Steve Kompela zange umnikeze no wayizifuna zange nithi ukombela because coaches yathetha Pitso yazi uba okay ukombela wathi noma ke Chiefs Kevin Hunt wathi Chiefs ayenza lo way. Same thing with Middendorp. So message again to management Kaizer Chiefs. Pitso experience, uyazi usebenzisa media, uyakwazi send messages. And then last point machita, Pitso apha. This is why athethe le message athethe ngelihlobo athethe ngalo and ngelixesha athethe ngalo in his career and this time of the season. It's because uPitso izinto ingele zime ngayo ngoku uyahamba Ahly Saudi FC Saudi Arabia unless bangajiki izinto medical, otherwise iways enzekileyo in the past week 2 weeks like azikho grand. Pitso uyavaya pha uyoqala ikeyenzeka la coach boss Saudi Arabia, like chairman of Saudi Arabia, iyabuzwa bangu Ahly boss lamek iyabuzwa ba okay Pitso yahlala na for next season njengoba ipromotiwe ngoku yadlamek asikathethi so discuss about ikse izaba kho new goals, new goals or new ambitions for next season. So Alampia's question mark. Yeah, by red flag ukala le. And then a week later, iveke landelayo wenzeke Pitso wenzeka flop idrama apha excel Pitso ba crown bafumana championship, fumanikwa trophy ne medals, ba okay ni champions ni promoted. I players aza celebrate bama nje za fourth medals, fumana medals, bama trophies za fourth qoba zahla zaphuma. Siboni videos bese all over the media go viral way, and then it was dramatic foot. And then Pitso bono na pha on camera baye akagcwali umjita and se ushocked embomba like ayikho grand benzekayo. And there is into ayenzekile explain after yenzekile la drama ba ithi la team yona I big team and kangafanele wama relegate kwaseqaleni. So ngoku abazo celebrate promotion because bona by big team bangafuneka ba relegate by big team, so bazo celebrate promotion. And then ngoPitso wake ngoku I think lena ibi short okugqibela ke ngoku le. A few days ago bengolisingaphi was it Friday or Thursday uPitso wenza interview South Arabian TV, live TV. Pitso wachaza pha bayise ndina 4 months ngabhatalwa le team. My salary has not been paid for 4 months. Ndaqhubela ukubhatalwa ngoJanuary le team. So but I go accurate way foot because like if it's like a Feb, March, April, May. Okay, yeah, Feb, March, April, May. And then they say be saying June was last week. So yeah, I go inaccurate way. We talk about the January, Pitso Mosimane. So as events zitrizenzekile le way to try le chairman le club about the future of Pitso, about doubt by is a renew contract. Players celebrate trophy. Pitso wa matele with le Saudi Arabian TV. Bakanga patalwe like pelile nyile relationship between Pitso and the club. Pitso uyavaya pha. And then ngoku wenza le interview wenzileyo wenza comments about Kaizer Chiefs. So yonke le way yazi Pitso lo yenzayo and ese ngoku uzama ulanduza ucreate future yakhe okanye uzama ubonakalisa ezinye potential employers zakhe ba okay umtita is going to be out there and is going to be in the market for a new job, a new project. Yeah machita, otherwise niyibona njani icinga njani yonke le way niyibona njani message kaPitso, nicinga ntoni message kaPitso, nicinga ntoni ngoPitso ba my Kaizer Chiefs, nicinga ntoni ngalowenze ke South Arabia and uPitso yonke iziwenzileyo uyahayiza okanye wenziwe eGrand. Amanqola lapha i-comments manje senza lo yapha kule channel. Sencokola senze ngathi senza isazi yonke into okanye sithetha ngezinto singazaziyo but kuse information esiyaziyo based on facts nezenzekayo. Plus siphinde sencokolisana sibonisane sonke singamajita apha. If you're going to the channel le content ngicela ucofe usubscribe ungalali jo khona izansi indawo emhlophe bhale subscribe ngicofa pa subscribe zikhona everyday videos mwaje bafethu.